we're gonna steal your air. 'Cause what you got is what we need, and all we do is 30D. Watch out with the space ball. With the master of space. Don't mess around with the space balls. Going cruising in a spaceship, we're so good at being bad. We'll destroy your little planet if you ever get us mad. We're mountains of the galaxy, you better scatter when you see. Watch out with the space ball. With the master of space. Don't mess around with the space balls. Watch out. We're mountains of the galaxy, we're gonna take it out your brain. Space ball. Watch out with the space ball. With the master of space. Don't mess around with the space ball. Watch out with the space ball. With the master of space. Don't mess around with the space ball.
There is one being that can stop the Beast Wars. 3 mighty machines form one big bot. Together they form the invincible magnaboss. Magnaboss basically is a Transformers fusion from the original Beast Wars anime. And to be honest, I missed that flight. I never got to see that anime in English dub. I just wish they'd released it in theaters. Or just about anywhere, really. They used to have the best commercials. When did Beast Wars suddenly come to a stop? Jurassic Park has shared a lot of memories. Did you know that after the third movie came out, that was the last time we've ever seen Jurassic Park? I'm gonna miss Jurassic World. Hope it comes out on DVD. Alexa, next song. Now this brings an Ultra Instinct vibe. Almost there.
Esto es un party por debajo del agua. Baby, busca tu paraguas. Estamos bailando como peces en el agua. Ey, como peces en el agua. Agua. No existe la noche ni el día. Aquí la fiesta mantiene encendida. Siempre que pasa me guiña. Dulce como piña. Esto es un party por debajo del agua. Baby, busca tu paraguas. Estamos bailando como peces en el agua. Ey, como peces en el agua. Eso es así, debajo del sol. Vamos para el agua que hace calor. Dice que me vio en el televisor y que me reconoció. No fue un error, ya. Yeah. Y te conozco, Calamardo. Ya, yeah. Dale, sonríe que bien la estamos pasando. Ya estamos al cari, montamos el party. Estamos en bikini con todas las mami, Yeah. Pasa debajo del mar y debajo del mar tú me vas a encontrar. Desde hace rato veo que quieres bailar y no cambies de tema. Esto es un party por debajo del agua. Baby, busca tu paraguas. Estamos bailando como peces en el agua. Ey, como peces en el agua. Agua. No existe la noche ni el día. Aquí la fiesta mantiene encendida. Siempre que pasa me guiña. Dulce como piña. Muy fuerte sin ejercicio, pero bailando se me nota el juicio. Ey, tanto calor que me asfixio. Soy una estrella, pero no soy Patricio, nah. Sacúdete la arena, arenita, y sonríe que así te ves bonita. Wow, de revista. Baila feliz en la pista. Bajo el sol pa' que quede morenita y party. Pasa debajo del mar y debajo del mar tú me vas a encontrar. Desde hace rato veo que quieres bailar y no cambies de tema. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob SquarePants, you know what I mean. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Bob Esponja, you know what I mean.
Fire truck. Alexa, what is a fire truck?
Here's something I found on the web. According to wikipedia.org, a fire truck is an emergency road vehicle for firefighters.
Here we are in the future. Here we are in the future, and it's bright. Nothing to fear, no one to fight. I can't believe we've come so far. Happily ever after, here we are. Once upon a time, I thought I'd always be in my mother's shadow. Answering for her crimes, I thought I'd always be in an endless battle. Till I began to hone a power all my own that I could feel growing stronger every day. And now I saved the world, not just that, the whole galaxy saved. We did it. Here we are in the future. Hey, Pearl. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Stewball.
Steven! I'm learning to play the bass.
I keep telling her it's bass.
Excuse me, B-A-S-S spells bass.
You're the boss.
Heck yes, I am. Once upon a time, I only lived to be of pink diamond service, till the day the two of us snuck down to be on this planet's surface. We became a fantasy, and I was sure she set me free.
Honestly,
But in the end, I guess I never
Cybertron,
left her
it's better than Earth.
side. And after love and loss and all the tears that I cried, I find that here we are in the future.
Hey, buddy. I'm heading into town.
See you at the concert tonight?
Wouldn't miss it for the world. Here we are.
I saved you a seat.
Thanks, Garnet. Hey, guys. What'd I miss?
You're just in time for my favorite part of the story. Once upon a time, a sapphire came to Earth with a ruby soldier. Sapphire's deadly fate was set until the ruby rushed in to hold her. Suddenly they were fusing. Beautiful, strange, confusing.
I've always admired
And there I was.
Steven Universe.
Questions so naive that if you told me this, I never would have believed you. Then, but here we are in the future.
Let me just say this. Hey, any idea what Amethyst is up to?
I have every idea what everyone is up to.
Of course.
You'll find her if you head to Little Homeworld. Take the walk.
Whoa! Careful, dude.
Pew, pew! 1, 2, 3.
Ha!
Thanks, Amethyst.
Steven, you're just in time. We're about to install the new warp.
And finished.
Little Homeworld is
That's how you draw the invincible magnaboss.
2.7%. We'd better get cracking.
I'm on it.
Second.
Wow. Little Homeworld's growing fast.
There.
So are you.
That's how you draw a magnaboss.
I'm a young
That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my
All
channel.
these gems want to make
And get
them
ready
home
for
on
more
Earth. Wish I'd had
action
this
on the
first.
way. Second source, see you later. Good night.
Once upon